This apartment doesn't have a view, it doesn't have a rooftop pool, and it's not 5-minute drive from Provenza and the Medellin nightlife. So if you're here to party, this apartment's not for you. But if you're here to make a life and get some work done, this might be perfect. We're in the neighborhood of Cumbres in Envigado. This apartment has 124 square meters, 1 big bedroom, and an office area plus 1.5 bathrooms. Now let's see if this is your kind of apartment. Quick note before we go any further, we are MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. We are a boutique real estate company in Medellin, Colombia. We help people like you find your perfect apartment. We only work with 3 to 4 clients per month because we have a very high attention to customer service. So when you're ready to buy an apartment, there's a link in the description below. Click that link, fill out the form, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So as you walk in, the first thing you notice is the kitchen. You've got the stovetop on the island. The great thing about the island is that you do have some space to eat if you don't want to put a full dining table out here. You've got the dishwasher, you've got the microwave oven over here. You also have back here a big area for your laundry. You can easily fit the washer dryer, whether it's going to be stackable or if she just has the 1 unit here. Now walking this way, this is an interesting layout because you've got a lot of room over here. She's got the dining table on this side and then the living room back here. But you can easily make this either a den or some sort of sitting area or even a little office area if you wanted to. Here's the dining table that seats 4. I think you could fit a bigger one if you wanted to. So you've got the big living area over here, but before we take a look at that, here is the first half bath over here. Very nicely decorated, nicely done. Everything is pretty new in this apartment and this building. Over here, you have an entertainment center for the living area, which actually has this that turns the TV around, which is pretty cool, right? And if you want to watch TV from your bedroom, you just turn it back around and it looks like it's supposed to be there. All right, let's check out the bedroom over here. All right, you've got the bedroom here, which is pretty big. You've got a king-size bed, great lighting. You've got natural light coming in through that window. And then this is my favorite part, I think, of the apartment is the bathroom and the walk-in closet. It's big enough for either a couple or just a single person living here, and then the walk-in closet over here. Okay, now follow me to the terrace, which is actually very big. So here you have access to the terrace, but you also have access to the terrace throughout the entire apartment. Remember, this is a 2nd floor, so you don't have a view, you just surrounded by greenery over here. You can make this however you want to make it. She's got like a picnic table out here and a hammock. And if we go this way, we go into this next area of the terrace. The current owner divided this area with this barn door, this sliding door, to make it her home office because she does work from home. So what's the catch? This is a 1st floor unit, which means that if you need a view from your bedroom window or from the balcony, then this apartment's not for you. What it gives you instead is ease. You're on the 1st floor, so you don't have to take an elevator anywhere. And the ease extends when you get into the apartment because you're basically outdoors in your apartment because this terrace is so big that it feels like you are living outdoors, or the outdoors is inside as well. If you want to keep this current layout and keep the office outside, you could. If you wanted to convert the terrace into an all outdoor place, get rid of the sliding barn door and the office, maybe move the office inside, you could easily do so. For a couple, for a single person, that would be perfect. So what's the verdict on this apartment? It's 127 square meters, $248,000, which means that the price per square meter is about $6.5 million, which is just under the market value for this type of neighborhood. We are in one of the higher income neighborhoods of Envigado called Cumbres. You can look it up. This is perfect for a retired couple, a digital nomad that wants a ground level apartment with a large outdoor space. If you're looking for views, if you're looking for the nightlife, if you're looking for a lot of walkability in the neighborhood, this is not for you. If you're looking for a short-term rental or even just a monthly rental, this might not be the fit. All that being said, when you're ready to buy an apartment in Medellin, Colombia, there's a link in the description below. You fill out that form. Make sure you fill it out only if you meet these requirements. you're ready to buy within the next 30 days, you have $150,000 or more, and you're gonna use our system, which includes opening up a local brokerage account so you can wire your money from the United States into Colombia. I'm looking forward to meeting you and working with you. I'll see you in the next video.